I did not expect ChatGPT to spit that out. Like most people around the world, recently I've been obsessed with ChatGPT, seeing the capabilities of it, getting terrified by it, thinking it's going to take over the world. Maybe not that far, but I thought, hey, why don't I ask it a couple of questions about what I should draw? So that's exactly what we're going to do today. I have ChatGPT open. I've got a blank canvas here ready to go. Let's jump straight in. I'll show you what ChatGPT spits out. I'll do my best to draw it, and we'll go from there. See what kind of art we can create. Let's go. Alrighty, so I have ChatGPT open. This is just the free version. I'm not paying for it or anything yet. Let me know in the comments if you do pay for it, if there is a big change in the experience, because I'd love to know. Definitely been interested in it recently. But hey, let's ask it a few questions. So as we all know, the key to this is getting creative in the way we ask it questions and then see what it spits out. We might have to have a couple of goes to see what we get back in return. Alrighty, I'm going to start out with, what is a cool object to draw for a tattoo design? A cool object to draw for a tattoo design could be an intricately designed pocket watch. Here is a description to inspire your design. The pocket watch is a symbol of time, elegance, and nostalgia. Create a design that combines elements of classic pocket watches with unique and personal touches. You can start with a traditional pocket watch shape, featuring a circular or oval body made of engraved metal. Within the watch face, you can incorporate various elements such as gears, Roman numerals, or a compass to add a steampunk or vintage vibe. All right. I'm not going to mess with ChatGPT too much. I think I'm going to have to draw a pocket watch. This is kind of cool. I definitely didn't start out the day thinking I was going to draw a pocket watch. But again, ChatGPT to the rescue. It said pocket watch. We're going to draw a pocket watch. Let's jump in and see how we go. Alrighty, this is looking pretty cool already. It is very basic still. I'm not trying to have a completely finished piece of art today by any means. And it's also a really good practice as an artist to get outside your head and draw things that you might not normally draw. I personally haven't drawn a pocket watch in years and years and years. I may not even use this for anything in the future, but at the moment, I've been able to step outside of my comfort zone, draw something that's a bit different than I normally do. And already I'm kind of liking the look of this. I've got some rope going around the outside here. I've got my signature orbs. It gives that piece a bit of levity, almost like it's floating. And I'm kind of liking it. I've got to get in and do a lot more work in around where the numbers would actually be, but I've kind of just got little placeholders in there at the moment. Kind of worked on the angle. I didn't want to have a front on the pocket watch either. I kind of like the look of that naked pocket watch with no closure on the front. Very old school, but overall, it's looking pretty cool. Let's jump in, add a little bit more detail, and we'll go from there. And there we go. Definitely by no means is this piece complete, but that was not the purpose of today. As I said before, the idea of this is to get ChatGPT to give me some ideas, get outside of my normal thinking zone when it comes to designing, and just draw something and try and get it to look kind of cool. I really like the idea of sketching every day, and sometimes ideas can be hard to come up with. So why not give ChatGPT a go? Ask it some questions, see what ideas it gives you, and it can really help with your design process and designing things you might not normally do. Will I use this piece in the future? I have no idea. I'll definitely keep it in Procreate. You never ever know what you might use your art for. But for now, I'm super happy with how it turned out. Again, super sketchy, but I love that. If you did like today's video, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything at all, but it really does help me grow my channel and allows me to keep bringing you these videos each and every week and doing what I absolutely love to do. That's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any ideas for future videos, please let me know down in the comments. I always love to hear from you. But until the next video, I'll catch you then.